Alright, early evening has arrived on this Christmas holiday season for the last official week of the final month of 2024. December 24th, 2024, Cian Hayes here at 1724, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, again along the Canadian National Spears on Main Milepost 353.17 with another video lined up. Northbound on the way, then met the 342 led by the new Cian 3395. Check them out on the roll bys. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Nathan P3s I hear on this one. And we'll meet the S772 at Murray. Look at that, 3319's here. .36 as well. Sounds like K773 decides to show up. How about that? I wonder if this will be a sign for a 773 this evening. Looks like she's going to take the North Y and probably head that way. 3319 was from the first batch of 25 C6M rebuilds since last year. Expected power move to come out of Point Yard to show up here. That's amazing. How about that? The K773 shows up. No. Here it is to show up, or the S773. No doubt about it. Why not? So in a few moments we're going to check out the shove onto the North Y. And then excuse me, head westbound on the Barren to be assigned for a sand load to take north. Stay tuned. Alright, 1727. The 773 is now going to shove onto the North Y and head westbound on the Barren. Check them out right now as we'll lean back again as the 3036 has just lit the nose lights on the long hood up and is ready to shove right now as we lean back. Gauge drop again. As it gets on the other side of control point West Ladysmith, she is going to have the 36 to lead it this time by. It's over the Sandal for tonight. Not bad. I don't mind the power move for K773 to arrive, but I think it's going to work. Why not? So I'll do it for the K773 81 of the 24th. We'll do it for the 3319 and the 3036 for now. And we'll hear that show up as the rest of this evening continues. Signal indications just went back up for the next northbound that was following behind the K773. And I have a feeling it'll be the M35791 of the 23rd. It'll be soon on the lineup in the next video. So I thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great evening. A Merry Christmas to you and Happy Holidays. We'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. See ya and haze out.